Hello. Have you noticed what is happening lately with the naira to dollar exchange rate? I mean, are you seeing the way inflation is really disturbing the naira? Now, if like me, you have been thinking, what is the best way to save your money against the hedge of inflation? I mean, what is the most profitable way to keep your naira, your money, and still be able to, get returns within a period of time? Okay, I'm sure you will say, I can save my money through various schemes like fixed deposits, treasuries and all that. Those are good. But with what is happening in the country, look, are you really sure that is the best way to save your money against inflation? I don't think so. I've tried them all, and trust me, the returns they are giving is nothing compared to what I want to tell you about. Right now, AY Homes Buyback Investment Platform is a very wonderful investment scheme for which you can, one, hedge your money against inflation, two, make good returns on your money, and three, make your money work for you. Yes. How do you ask me how to make your money work for you? They say a billionaire is one who can make their money while they are sleeping, and AY Home Buyback Investment is giving you that. Let me ask you, for example, let's say you put your money in a treasury bill or in a fixed deposit account, or even in, buy one of all these stocks, and you're leaving it over a period of 12 months. What is the percentage interest you will get? Tell me. Some 15, some 6%, some even lesser than that. Right now, I bring to you a beautiful investment scheme that can help you not only hedge against inflation, increase your return on investment within a little while, it will also help you make your money work while you sleep. They say the rich people make their money while they sleep. That's why I'm bringing to you AY Homes Buyback Investment Scheme. AY Home Buyback Investment Scheme is an investment scheme that is targeted or that's made for you to be able to make that money that you are keeping, that you want to use for a future project, be able to produce more money for you while hedging against inflation and while you wait to reinvest that money. All right, I'm going to give you details of what AY Homes means. As a real estate consultant, you know that the best way I can give you options for you to make money is still leveraging on the real estate platform. That is why I'm telling you that this is not the banks, this is not treasury bills and all that. I'm going to tell you a way you can use the real estate platform to make money for yourself, not only when you invest, no, when you buy land. Actually, AY Home Buyback Investment is an investment that is for you, that person who wants to make money from real estate within a short period of time. People will tell you that when you buy land or you buy a landed property, especially a future development property, you have to wait for a period of time for the money to appreciate. When the value of the property appreciates, you can then resell. Sometimes you wait for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and the like. For you to get good return, let the money appreciate very, very well. Then you resell and make your money back. Now, if you are that investor that is not willing to wait that long, if you are that person that is not willing to stay to that extent to make money, or you're an investor that wants to make your money, make more money from you without actually having to wait for a very long time, then AY Homes Buyback Investment Scheme is just the best for you. Now, AY Homes Buyback Investment is actually designed like this. The real estate developer company uses its land and its properties as a leverage to get money from you, multiply that money and give it back to you with interest. Yes. For example, with the developer company, AY Homes Investment is leveraging on its properties that they have in Ibeju-Lekki as well as in the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway to give to you, to buy into it, leave it with the company for a real period of time, and then make a return on it. This is how it is. This is as simple as this. You buy land from the real estate company, they give you the title details of the land, they collect your money, and you resell it back to them at a profit. It's just as simple as that. This is simply how it works. You buy a plot of land from the real estate company and you sell it back to the company at a profit within a short period of time. For example, in AY Home Buyback Investment, we're using 2 of our lands, one in Ibeju-Lekki, close to the Lekki Free Trade Zone, and the other one along the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway. Both are well-titled lands in good locations that is commanding value every single day. We have AY Homes Peace Abode Buyback Investment and AY Homes Hilton Royal Buyback Investment. Our Peace Abode Buyback Investment is a land that is located just behind the Lekki Free Trade Zone that is currently selling at the price of 4.5 million naira. Yes, 4.5 million naira right now. But if you're investing with our AY Home Investment Scheme on the Peace Abode platform, you get to buy at 2 million naira and you resell back to the company maybe within 6 months, 9 months, or 1 year at a profit. Now let me tell you, Peace Abode came into the market a few months ago at the price of 1.5 million naira. Have you seen how quickly the price has appreciated within a space of 8 months to about 4.5 million naira? So the land we are giving you has good value. Now you key in with the investment for 2 million naira. If you resell back to the company in 6 months time, you get a whooping 25% interest. If you resell back to the company in 9 months, you get 35% interest. And if you resell back to the company in 12 months, you get a 50% interest. Now, we also have our Hilton Royal investment, which is located along the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway. Very good location, right on the expressway. We brought out that property into the market at the rate of 5 million, but right now, that plain property is selling for 15 million naira. You know, with as little as 3.5 million naira, you can even subscribe to our Hilton Royal buyback investment and still get 30% return on investment within 6 months, 40% return on investment within 9 months, and 50% return on investment within 12 months. Now, what I mean by return on investment is that you buy like half a plot right now at the price of 3.5 million naira. You resell it back to the company in the next 12 months with a 50% increase. That is, you'll be getting a 5.2 million naira just like that within 12 months, just by investing in our Hilton Royal buyback investment scheme. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Okay, so you'll be asking me, how am I even sure that it's safe? What are the evidence? What are the guarantee that these people, they will sell me land, they will not want to give me back my money when I want to resell back to them and all that? There is our guaranteed method. So when you invest with any of our 2 schemes on the AY Homes buyback investment, either you invest in our Peace Abode buyback investment or our Hilton Royal buyback investment, you know what we'll give you? First of all, we'll give you a receipt for the investment scheme. We will give you a deed of buyback investment scheme that contains the documents of the land that you purchased. Let's say you do you bought 1 plot of land, which is 7 million naira for our buyback investment scheme. You will give you a deed to show the transfer to that document in your name. See it? We also give you a survey plan to that investment, as well as a post-dated check, yes, showing the new dates you will collect that money. When the, like for example, you do a 12 months Hilton Royal buyback investment, you want to collect it in 12 months, we'll give you a date for the new amount on a post-dated check, you know. And if you do a 3.5 million naira buyback investment on Hilton Royal for 12 months, in 12 months you're supposed to get approximately 4.5 million naira. So it will write you a check showing the new date, the amount, signature, and the date you are supposed to collect it, as well as an acknowledgement letter. All this you can use as guarantee to know that we mean business. Because already what we're using as collateral, which is our land, are high valued land. Those lands are in good location and are appreciating very, very well. So you see, we've actually valued the land. We actually value the land. This is an investment scheme that helps you hedge against inflation. Now, if you have that money that you're keeping that you want to use for a future project, why not invest in a buyback investment scheme? You actually have access to documents that will guarantee that within the set period of time that you do this investment, we will give you back your interest plus your capital without even wasting time. You will see as the course of this video goes, I will also play to you videos of my numerous customers that have actually invested in this buyback investment, gotten their returns without any hassle, without any stress, and they're so happy. Some people have even done the investment over and over again because they trust the brand, because they trust me. numerous testimonials from clients all over the world. People in Nigeria are investing in this scheme, as well as those in diaspora. Now, like I said, we have our AY Home buyback scheme. In it, we have our Peace Abode buyback scheme that gives you a 25% return on investment within 6 months, a 35% return on investment within 9 months, and a 50% return on investment within 12 months. Or you can also subscribe to our Hilton Royal buyback scheme. That is starting with minimum deposit of 3.5 million, where you get a 30% return on investment within 6 months, get a 40% return on investment within 9 months, and 50% return on investment within 12 months. Now, there is no other scheme, there is no other saving platform that can give you this much interest within a short period of time. So all you have to do is to call me today. Call me today to come and get your own money working for you, okay? You do not have to stress. You do not have to stress to keep your money, to hedge it against inflation, as well as make your money work for you. So you call me, Realtor Maureen. I will bring you here and I will help you increase your work portfolio through real estate investing. All right, bye-bye.